All right, I wanted to come out and let you guys see the garden. I've made so many videos but just didn't upload them. And it's evening, so we got the lights up, but this is what we got growing in the kitchen. So we have some cilantro, we got some lettuce, we got a mix of arugula and some greens. We got some asparagus, which I think we planted wrong, but we will check it out tomorrow. And our okra, which did awesome last year. Our herb box, we have some fresh thyme, green onions, sage, and rosemary. And we planted some more seeds, and we're supposed to have some chives growing right here. Oh man, look at this. Check out our sweet peas. These was actually grown from seed. This is a transplant. So the ones from seed is actually growing better than the transplants. And this is our mint. So we got regular mint and we got peppermint. So peas and mint really go together in real life. So we planted them in the same pot. And this is our watermelon, which we got to find somewhere to put it. We don't know yet. The strawberries are growing great. We added some more in here, so they look happy. They sprouted up. Inside the greenhouse, because we have this little Amazon greenhouse. It's like 80 bucks. So our seedlings did not make it at all. They dried out so fast. These are the transplant tomatoes that we had that I pulled them out of here and put them in there so they could be separate. And over here we have our micro herbs, and it's called a mucilin. I don't know. It's some type of greens, but we eat them for the salad. So what else we got? We replanted blue. So blue has a bigger pot now. And you see the blueberries. And this is baby blue, because you know they got to be together. So when you buy one, you got to buy two of blueberry plants. And this is the grill that we converted into a kale, broccoli, bok choy seedling. All right, and we replanted our beans, pole beans, so they can probably shoot up this pole and grow along the lights. And of course, our tomatoes are doing great. We just planted some bee balm, because bee balm is a companion plant for tomatoes, and our marigolds are growing fine. Those little sprouts you see are all marigolds, and they're nitrogen rich plants, so they match with tomatoes. Sweet peppers are coming along pretty good. Our Swiss chard, now this was rainbow, but this didn't make it. It died this year. But this one right here, oh man, 2 years strong, doing great. Our corn is coming along. And the callaloo that we grew from seed is coming along pretty good. So we did the callaloo, and we got some sunflowers over there. And last but definitely not least, we turn anything into a growing pot. So this is some callaloo again. This kind of spins. And this is cucumbers. So we hope that the cucumbers will grow up, and one will go that way and the other one will go this way. So that's what we have growing in the kitchen. We're trying to clean the kitchen as much as we can. But, you know, between home life and parenting, but we got to make time to grow us some food, because any food shortage is preventable. You need to get you some seeds and grow something. Anything. If you grow a tomato bush and your friend next door grow some peppers and your neighbor down the street grow some beans, y'all can make a little soup and feed the community, because it's going to be left up to us to feed us. So hopefully this be a little inspiration. It ain't the cleanest it's been, but we got stuff growing. So until next time, guys, see you later.